Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to edit Adobe Acrobat document PDF so you can easily modify, format, and update your files. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer to start working with your PDF. You can find it by double-clicking the desktop icon or searching in your Start menu, and this is the first step to access all your editing tools. Step 2. Click on the three-line hamburger menu in the top left corner and select Open to choose the PDF you want to edit. This helps you load the document quickly and get ready to make changes. Step 3. Select Edit PDF from the right-hand pane to activate the editing tools. This option lets you modify text, images, and other elements directly in your PDF. Step 4. Click on the text you want to edit. You can add, delete, or change words and sentences easily, making your document accurate and up-to-date. Step 5. To edit images, click on the image in your PDF. You can resize, move, or replace images to improve the visual layout of your document. Step 6. Use the formatting toolbar to change fonts, size, color, and alignment of your text. This ensures your edits look professional and consistent throughout the PDF. Step 7. Save your changes by clicking the three-line hamburger menu and then Save or Save As for a new version. Saving your work keeps your document updated and prevents losing any changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.